In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete transactions in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can confidently remove a transaction you no longer need. Start on your QuickBooks dashboard and look to the left sidebar. Click All Apps and then click Accounting. This takes you into the accounting area where your core financial lists live. From here, choose Chart of Accounts. The chart of accounts is the master list of all the accounts in your company file, things like checking, credit cards, income, and expenses. Each account has its own register, which is simply a running list of the transactions tied to that account. Now, think about the transaction you want to delete and which account it lives in. For example, if it's a bank expense, it'll be under your checking or credit card account. If it's an income entry, it may be tied to a revenue account. In the chart of accounts, locate that specific account. When you find it, click View Register. This opens the account's register so you can see the detailed list of transactions. In the register, scroll or search until you find the exact transaction you want to remove. Take a moment here to double-check the details, date, payee, amount, and any memo, so you're certain you're selecting the right one. When you're sure, click the transaction to expand it. As soon as it opens, you'll see a small set of action buttons appear, including Delete, along with a few other options. Click Delete. If you're asked to confirm, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once it's deleted, the transaction is removed from that register and will no longer affect your balances or reports. Keep in mind that deleting a transaction is a permanent action and can change prior totals, so it's a good idea to verify that this is truly what you want before you proceed, especially if the entry appears in reconciled periods or important financial reports. To recap, you're navigating from the left sidebar to All Apps, into Accounting, then into Chart of Accounts. You locate the account that contains the transaction, click View Register, find and expand the transaction, and then click Delete. That's it. Following these steps keeps the process clear and helps you maintain clean, accurate records. If you repeat these same actions for any other entries you need to remove, you'll be consistent and efficient every time you manage your registers. Thanks for watching, and great job keeping your books tidy.